Hey guys, it's Deana, and today I have a treat for you. But first, if you enjoy cooking with me, don't forget to hit the like button below, share this video with your friends and family, hit that subscribe button for me, and click on that notification bell so that you get notifications of new videos. Have you ever heard of or had Hủ Tiếu Satế Triều Châu? This dish is a bowl packed with bold and complementing flavors, derived from beef bones, spices, and creamy peanut butter. There are many clear broth versions of the famous street market Hủ Tiếu noodle soup from southern Vietnam, dished up with pork and seafood accompanied by a variety of noodles ranging from egg to clear tapioca. And then, not as commonly known to the world, you have Hủ Tiếu Satế Triều Châu. The name for this noodle soup varies depending on who you talk or pay a visit to. It can be referred to as Hủ Tiếu Satế Bò, Phở Bò Satế, or Mì Bò Satế. The aroma of Hủ Tiếu Satế Triều Châu is so fragrant thanks to the combination of beef broth, garlic, shallots, lemongrass, peanut, sesame oil, star anise, cardamom, fennel, cloves, cinnamon, coriander, and paprika. The rice noodles soak up flavor beautifully so that each bite is delightful. Then you have textures: chewy noodles, tender beef brisket, soft meatball, crispy fried shallots, crunchy peanuts, and refreshing herbs. Let's get cooking, guys. It's time to pre-boil rinse our bones or spare ribs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water and a 1/4 cup of vinegar to help remove the smell that is normal to any pork product. Today I have some beautiful pork spare ribs that I will be cooking up. Once the pot of spare rib comes to a boil, reduce heat to medium and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Remove and rinse thoroughly to remove any debris. The spare ribs have been simmering on medium heat for 10 minutes. Now it's time to rinse them under tap water to remove all the debris. The purpose of the pre-boil is to draw any residual blood out of the bone and loosen any debris that might be there. Scrub really well to remove blood and bone bits. It's time to make the satay paste for our broth. We'll need 1 whole garlic head minced. You can also put the garlic, shallots, and lemongrass in a food processor to save some time and effort. You'll need about a 1/4 cup of minced shallot, and a 1/2 cup of minced lemongrass. Mine are frozen, so they're easy to chop and mince by hand. But again, you can definitely put it into the food processor to process all 3 items faster and quicker. Now, you can't have satay paste without chili, so 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced chili, any type that you want. I've got some Thai chili. It has a little bit of more kick. Now, we're ready to put everything together. In a satay pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil and set the heat to medium. Next, we'll add some sesame oil for some nuttiness. You can add anywhere from 1 to 2 tablespoons. Allow the oil to warm up. Add in the minced garlic, shallots, and lemongrass. Saute them for 5 minutes till soften. Stir often to prevent burning. Now add in the minced chili, 1 to 2 tablespoons. In addition, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of crushed chili flakes. You can use with seed or without. Time for more flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, sweet paprika. To balance out the saltiness, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, Give everything a good stir so that all the ingredients are well incorporated. To add more salty briny flavor, we're going to add some fish sauce. 2 to 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Stir to combine the fish sauce into the other ingredients. The creaminess comes from the peanut butter that's added into this broth. But if you're allergic to peanut butter, you don't have to use real peanut butter. You can use a substitute like sun butter or soy butter. Both are great substitutes. Add in 1 cup of peanut butter or peanut butter substitute. Then mesh it in really well so that it's well incorporated with the other ingredients. You'll end up with a nice textured paste. If you want it smoother, you can always food process it to make the blend a lot smoother to go into your broth. The texture of the satay paste doesn't bother me. That's why I just hand process all the ingredients. There we have it, satay paste. Now it's time to prepare the other seasonings that we will need for our broth. You'll need 1 teaspoon of the following spices. Place them into a cheesecloth or a tea bag like this. 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, 1 whole cardamom seed, approximately 1 teaspoon of cinnamon bark, 4-star anise, a teaspoon of dry coriander, and that's everything. Let's tie everything up together nice and tight so that they don't escape during the Instant Pot cooking process. Set the Instant Pot onto saute mode. These are all the seasoning we need to begin with to flavor our broth. 1 pho pouch seasoning mix, 3/4 cups chicken bouillon, the satay paste from earlier, the entire quantity, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1 stick of palm sugar, or substitute with 1/4 cup of brown sugar. If you don't have any time to make the satay sauce, you can buy 2 jars of this satay sauce to add into your broth. It'll save you time from mincing all those ingredients that can take forever. Alright, let's put this broth together. So on saute mode, add in some hot water, just a little bit because we need it to break up our satay paste. Add in the entire content of the satay paste that we made earlier. Using a spatula, break the paste into the hot water so that it becomes smooth and creamy. Add in the fish sauce, add in the chicken bouillon, and mix it up so that it dissolves. Add in just a little bit more hot water and the sugar. Stir it around to help it begin dissolving. Add in the clean pork spare rib that we prepared earlier. Give the pot a stir and add hot water halfway up the pot. Add in the pho spices. I microwave mine for 25 seconds in a 700-watt microwave. Add in the beef brisket. In addition, add 2 packs of beef meatballs. Now it's time to add in that 2nd tablespoon of paprika. Fill the water up to the maximum line in your Instant Pot. Give the pot a good stir. Now it's time to cook, so turn off that saute mode. Secure the Instant Pot lid with the vent open so that steam can escape. Once the lid is locked, close the vent. Set the mode to meat stew or soup broth. and set the timer for 25 minutes. And thanks to the magic of film, the Instant Pot is ready. Let's see what we have. Quick release the pressure. The pressure plumps up the beef balls and make them so tender. They look amazing. Remove the brisket from the pot. Let it cool down completely before slicing it into bite-sized pieces. On sauté mode, fill the pot with more hot water, all the way up till 1 inch below the lip. You guys, the aroma of the broth is incredible. It is so delicious. It smells so savory and full of delicious spice flavors. Once it comes to a boil again, turn off the sauté mode, cover and keep warm. Next, you'll need the following fresh ingredients: julienne cucumbers and sliced tomatoes, garnishes like cilantro, lime, and chili, bean sprouts for extra crunch and vegetable. Time to get chopping, guys. Once the brisket has completely cooled down, slice it into thin, bite-sized pieces. It's my favorite part. Time to plate. Add your prepared rice noodle to the bowl. I'm using fresh thin pho noodles that take 30 seconds to cook. You can use any noodles you enjoy. For instance, thick or thin pho noodles, rice vermicelli noodles, egg noodles, or even clear tapioca noodles. Top it with the meats, then ladle the creamy broth over it, as much as you want. Then top everything off with some fresh garnishes, the cucumbers, the tomatoes, the cilantros, mince and herbs of your choice. Sprinkle peanuts and shallots. Add the lime and chili if you eat chili. And voila, we're done. We're ready to eat this gorgeous bowl of creamy noodle soup. The colors, the textures, the combination of ingredients in here are incredible, and the fragrant spices really add lots of flavor to this broth. I hope that you've enjoyed cooking with me today and that you continue to practice to become the master chefs in your own home. If you enjoy my dishes and love my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to get alerts on new videos. Leave a comment for me below and hit that like button for this video. Written recipes can be found on my website, and don't forget to follow me on IG. Until next time, my friends, goodbye.